So here's your criteria. Ultra lightweight, reliability, in a small package that's good for everyday carry. And you want it compensated to help adjust for that lightweight. Well, here's the Taurus Total Titanium 38 Special. Wheelgun Wednesday! So what we're looking at today is the Taurus Model 85. Now, Taurus has a lot of different Model 85s out there. So the one we're focused on today is the Taurus Total Titanium. Now, Taurus did a couple different models of titanium guns where they had an aluminum frame and just a titanium cylinder. This particular model in the titanium blue was the Total Titanium. Now, this was only released from 1999 to 2006, so there's not a lot of them out there. I've been in the gun business for quite a while, and I've only seen a couple of these over the years. My speculation is purely based on price. These had an MSRP of $649. Now, back in 2000, for a small lightweight revolver, $650 was quite a bit of money. One of the finds if you go to look up this Total Titanium model is there's not a lot of information out there. I spent several hours going through different articles and trying to find different reviews on it, but there just wasn't a lot. The one thing that I did find with a lot of these articles and reviews that I found is they all conflicted on the weight. Everything from 12 ounces, 13 ounces up into the 15 ounce range. So I decided to put on our digital scale in the back, which is certified by the US mail that we use to ship and all that kind of stuff, and it came in at 15.4 ounces. So I'm going to say for our purposes, this gun weighs 15.4 ounces. Like most Taurus Model 85s, this has a fixed front sight, a rear channel sight, it's double action or single action, 5-shot, and accepts plus P loads. The plus P loads on this can be a little bit stiff. Now, take into consideration that the black rubber grips are not the new upgraded river grips that Taurus is now putting on their guns. This is just good old-fashioned rubber. Ultra lightweight, easy to carry, but one of my least favorite things about this revolver is the thing that actually makes it a little bit more pleasant to shoot, and that's the ported barrel. Now, a lot of people have ported barrels on their gun. I personally do not, because if I'm using this as a self-defense firearm, there's a real good chance that I may be using this at night. That being said, as you can see here in this video, it gets a tremendous amount of muzzle flash, and that flash is directed up to my line of sight. So now I get a couple shots before I'm seeing little orange spots everywhere, and I just don't like that. Now granted, I know you're going to say, well, you've got a 2-inch barrel gun, you're going to have some muzzle flash anyway. I understand that. But the fact that it comes out the end of the barrel plus comes up in front of me, just something I'm not real fond of. That pretty much does it for another episode of Wheelgun Wednesdays. One thing I want to mention is that we're getting pretty low on revolvers, so if you live in the area and you have something maybe we'll do a video on, feel free to bring it by or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button. We'll see you next week.